TNT Demolition Derby at Warzone on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, green flag. Already some great shots on the track out here. Front-wheel drive bone stock. There's the Hungry Howie's car delivering a crunch. Delivering a hit after it was crunch time on the 28 car. Down. Quillen getting off the wall in the 28 car after going up. It's like a transformer, you know? Whoa, going up. This guy, that car has been a sedan, a hatchback, and a coupe all in one of these. And now it thinks it's a Caterpillar. I don't know what's going on. Quillen, wow, talk about dragging. We got Hungry Howie still out there delivering hits. The number 74 car circling around. And man. Drivers with a salute of the throttle, asking if you folks liked what you seen, make some noise. and heads out with the checkered flag to confirm a win. Nice job by these two in the two-man team.